Hi guys, this is Becky Gorga, Scentsy Star Consultant, and I just wanted to share with you a really cool feature from Canva that actually I want to give credit to Kimber Vladicek and Jackie Duran for tagging me on Instagram to show me this really cool feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and show it to you. It is a Canva Pro feature, but if you are one who you're constantly doing like daily posts in your VIP group or for your downline or whatever, this can be really helpful and save you a whole lot of time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so right here I have Canva open, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a doc, okay? Now, Canva has started this really cool feature of magic whatever. Like they have magic tools for to help us when we're creating things. They're really making life so much easier. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this plus sign so I can add magic. I'm going to do magic right. So what you're going to do is your whatever you want to your post to be about. Like if you want spring quotes or tips for fragrance or whatever. Um, just come up with something creative, right? So 30 ways fragrance influences our lives. Let's see what happens. And here we go. It's come up with 30 ways that fragrance influence our lives. So now what you're going to do is you're going to select all of this, like highlight it, just the things, copy, and then you're going to open up an Excel. My computer will be cooperative. You're going to open up a new Excel sheet. And you can do it with Google spreadsheets or whatever as well, as long as you're able to save it to your, download it to your desktop, whatever. So then you're going to select your first box here and then just copy and paste, or just paste, Control V, and it'll fill it in without shoving it all in one box. It just puts it in the boxes, okay? And I'm going to save it. And I save it to my desktop just so it's easier for me to find. You guys do what works for you, right? I'm going to do fragrance tips. Okay. Now it's saved. I'm going to go back into Canva. Maybe. I'm going to go back into Canva. I'm going to go home. And now I want to create an Instagram post. So that's going to pull up. And then I'm going to find a template. Maybe fragrance quote. See what it gives me. Lots of perfume stuff, of course. Here we go. How about this one? That's pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here to my sidebar and I'm going to scroll down. Now it could be, if this is your first time doing it, it could be shown here in apps, and it would be like right here, text to image, or it'll have suggestions from Canva in this space right here. But since I've already done it, it doesn't have it there for me anymore, but it has jumped onto my bar of things to do. So right here, it's bulk create. Okay. And then I'm going to upload the CSV, which is just the Excel file. So I'll go to my desktop. But for some reason, it doesn't want to show it for me. Okay. Fragrance tips right there. Oh gosh darn it. Being difficult for me. Let's see if it'll let me now. I didn't save it as a CSV. I just saved it as Excel. All right, hold on. Let me go back in and save it the right way. Silly me. It's so picky. Okay, so now I'm going to see if it'll let me change how I save it. Turn off that. Save as. And then here we'll do, here we go, CSV. Why is it being so silly? I don't think it really matters too much what kind of CSV it is, right? We'll just, there we go. See what happens. Okay, saved as a CSV. I'm gonna go back into Canva. Maybe. Okay, now let's try again. Upload CSV. There it is. Then what you do is it walks you through it. You're gonna right click where you want the data to go. Data. And then you'll scroll down here on this menu. It says connect data, and then you select. Okay, and it's got that first one in there, and then continue. Generate 30 pages. Now I can hit that and it can be good, or if I want to save myself some trouble, what I would probably do is I'd probably put in here like a heading or title that says fragrance can, or fragrance does, something to show what this is for, right? Because then once I hit this button, it will duplicate this image with each different tip in there, okay? So you'd want to play with this, make it look the way that you want it to, add your features before you generate this, or else you'd have to go in and add it one by one to each sheet. Okay, but you hit that generate, and all of a sudden you have 30 pages or 29 pages or however many of ways that fragrance can influence you. Okay, and then again, this is for Canva Pro. So if you have Canva Pro, you can share and go straight to your Facebook page or whatever, but also you can schedule a post. Now, from what I can figure out, I could be wrong. You can only do one at a time, like one day at a time. Like I could schedule this whole thing, but it would all post in one day, I think. So what I do, or what I have done, is I've just input it into Visly and then create my post that way. But you can also save it, download it, and then just post it each day manually. So anyway, that's how to do a bulk create using Canva. Again, it's a Canva Pro feature, but it is worth it. It's really awesome and fun. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will try to answer them or find the answer. And if I don't have the answer, then I can look it up. So I hope that was helpful for everyone, and I hope you guys have a great day.